Hi mga ate, good morning. So itong lulutuin ko ngayon. Yan lang yung ginagawa ko para mabilisan. Para i-bake ko lang siya. And then, hindi na ba masyadong madaming gawain. Paglilinis lang ng gulay. Tapos, lagyan din sa oven. Lagyan ng seasoning. Hindi siya mahirap. Kaya, minsan ganito ang ginagawa namin pag alam mo yung pagpagod kami, pagod sa trabaho, tapos gusto namin mabilisan. Potatoes, ano na pa yun, parang rice na. Potatoes, spinach, ano next that spinach, asparagus, and
Learn that alignment is not created by intensity. It's created by consistency. Not by running fast for a week, but by walking steadily. The world is full of people who start with a burst of enthusiasm and fade by the third. Alignment doesn't fade. It deepens. It steadies. It creates a rhythm that carries you beyond
available
days
sa
when motivation
fridge
is
namin.
low.
So, ganyan
And
lang
here's
yung
something remarkable.
nabasi.
As readiness increases, your vision often expands.
Ganun
When you
lang, what's
strengthen your
available.
skills, you start seeing possibilities you
Depende
couldn't
sa kung
perceive
anong
before.
maisip ko. Minsan,
When you build
nauubusan kami ng meat.
You
Meron
feel
pang
capable of
vegetables. So,
goals
ganyan
that
ang
once
ginagawa ko.
intimidated. When you
Nagagawan
invest
siya
in
ng
your
mga
growth,
seasoning.
your imagination
Asin,
becomes braver. Readiness enlarges vision.
and then
Just as
olive oil.
vision pulls
Olive oil
readiness
is,
forward.
kasi siya. Maganda yung
But
olive
without
oil.
readiness,
Konti sa
even a
katawan.
good vision can become a burden. It
Madali
nags.
lang siya.
It disappoints. It
Gasan
tells you that you're
mga
meant for
gulay.
more while your
Tapos
habits
ilagay mo
vote
siya
for
sa
less.
baking pan.
Your relationships will be
Baking.
your business will run.
May soap na ito. Yung soup. Cream or mushrooms.
Communication isn't just
Sobra kasi lang mo. Sobrang concentrated yung sumilagyan ko na nilagyan ko ng tubig para ba hindi siya masyado lagkit. Dagdagan ko rin ng paminta at saka pagdang isin.
It's about expressing your ideas clearly and understanding.
So yan, yung bake ko gulay, may soup din ako, tsaka ipakulo ako ng itlog. Ipakulo ako ng itlog. Pinukulaan ko lang. Tapos, siniwa-hiwa ko. Yun yung dinner namin. May soup, mayroong baked potatoes, asparagus, and mushrooms, and hotdog. So, sarap na sarap na ano. Ayan ko lang siya ng asin. Konting asin at paminta. Ayan, tapos ayan. Hintayin ko lang siyang ramdam ko na ito na to. Kasi dinagdagan ko ng konting fresh mushroom din siya. Konting fresh na mushroom. And then, para dadami. Para dadami. Sarap na. Sarap na.
Misunderstanding with someone because of poor communication. Maybe you thought they meant one thing. It takes over, and your discipline becomes that.
Pinakuluan ko siya ng tubig. Tingnan kasi yung
I once knew a young man who was in
pinakuluan ko
trouble.
talaga. Yung kulang-kulo. Tapos, bago na siya ano ba, matapos.
Each day you improve your mindset just a little.
Paborito kasi nila. Pinapang ko yung mushroom. Ayan. Ayan. Yum, yum. So, may egg ako doon. Ang egg kasi, pinakuluan ko yan ng mga 15 minutes para sure na luto talaga. Para hindi ako ano ba. Tapos yan na. Kami lang dalawa na apa magkain. May gulay, may carbohydrates, may sabaw, at saka may juice kami niyan. Yan. Dami-dami pero muntik namin yung maubos. Muntik namin yung maubos kami lang dalawa.
I don't know. There's random pictures of random people.
Sarap na sarap siya. Sabi niya, ang sarap ko.
Oh, when?
Siyempre, mix yan eh. May carb, may
There's no
vegetables, and may
It's a
sabaw.
post
So,
from 5 minutes ago,
What is the day today?
Friday.
Okay. It's nice. You can forward them that to them?
natuto ako magluto sa sa mga
Maybe
YouTube. Kopya-kopya lang.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Ganyan. And then, hanggang sa nakagawian ko na, nagamit ko yung natutunan ko. Ano ba? Sa pagtatrabaho, sa mga amo ko, ganyan.
I thought you were ready.
Kakain na kami.
Thought I was what?
Kain na
Ready.
kami
I
ngayon.
was, but then.
Meron din kaming sweet chili sauce. Hindi siya masyadong mangang talaga. Sakto
And I
lang.
just finished a chapter, so I thought it
May
would stop.
sweet na a little chili. Pero masarap siya. Nabili namin sa superstore. Ready na. Ready na.
You want me to get
Hindi
anything?
mahirap ang pampaano. Basta hindi siya mapili yung apamo ko. Kung anong ginagawa ko yun, hindi kikain yun. Hindi siya mapili. Hindi siya mapili. Kung anong hinahanda ko, kain din siya.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, soup? Mushroom soup?
Wala siyang problema.
Nice.
Wala siya talagang problema. Kain na siya. Then, may ganun sabaw. Yum, yum. Daming sabaw na yan. Naubos niya yan. Naubos niya pang yan. Yun, ready na.
We could probably put more.
Ready na talaga. Ready na kumain.
Oh, yum yum.
Handa na kami.
There's more potatoes though if you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, salita na kami ng prainan. Sarap eh. Oh yan, ubos. Said, muntik. Thanks for watching.